Made bacon this morning. My wife made some awesome bacon, and in between the bacon are pieces of paper towel that are saturated with the bacon grease. Now I bet you they'll make a really good like a wick type material for a tinder for starting a fire. And I'm gonna roll up a piece of this and roll up a piece of dry regular paper towel and see the difference. Alright, here's the regular dry section of paper towel. Here's the paper towel that is saturated in the bacon grease. Okay, I twisted them up. This is the dry one. This is saturated. I don't know if you can see. Kind of greasy. Time to take them to the garage. Okay, here's the dry one. Here is the bacon grease one. Let's see what happens. Bacon grease, dry. Well, the dry one is lit pretty good. Looks like the dry one's burning quickly. The bacon grease is burning slowly. Yeah, it looks like the dry one is burning. You can see it's more of it burning quickly. But look at the quality of the flame. Like it's starting to die down. And the bacon grease one has a big flame and it's going slower. It's like a more robust, there we go. Now it's like a candle. Well, looks to me like the bacon grease one is a lot better. Oh yeah, now it's really starting to go. Cool. What does this mean for me? Well, it means that I'm going to prepare some lengths of this stuff and maybe set them aside as part of my fire building kit. Okay, now it's going crazy. I better blow it out. Wow. Yeah, you can see on the right, it's all fizzled out. But on the left, the bacon grease one, it looks like it's still kind of going. Cool. Well, testing them out using a lighter, that's about as easy as it gets for a test. Well, figured I'd test them out trying to create a fire with just a spark. Well, I'm going to do that. I need to make it as realistic as possible. So I would never just try to light this on fire without, you know, fraying the ends and getting the fibers as like fine and small as possible. Rub them together, just get it real easy to catch a flame. I'm gonna do the same thing with this this saturated kind over here, the bacon grease. Just try to tear it up, expose those little fibers. That should be fine. Now, set this out. Let's just do this. This is the regular paper towel. We'll see if it catches. Yeah. Well, turn it over a little bit, try again. There, finally caught. Okay, put that out. Okay, that took a while. Some of the sparks didn't hit. We'll see how this one does here. Clean this off. So I'm not cheating. Okay, there's the bacon grease one. Lined up there. Let's see. Spread it out a little bit. Here we go. Well, still took a bit, but once it caught pretty good. I just like how it burns. It burns real like a big flame, but like a slow burn. So I'll put that out. Okay. Well, what's the verdict? I feel like, I mean, they start, I would say, equally as well. But I feel like once this bacon soaked one gets going, it's like a candle wick. So I like the bacon one, bacon grease one. Let's see if I can get some of that grease dripping. Ah, look at that. Get the old grease on the old fingers there. Awesome.